Okay, beautiful souls, I hope you are ready for the best carbonara sauce of your life. First, we're going to cook our noodles. I would say I had about 150 to 200 grams. And while they're cooking, we're gonna get our sauce ready. You'll need about 2 handfuls of cashew nuts, and we're going to have to soak them a little bit before we introduce the other ingredients in it. Just in the meanwhile, while they are soaking, check on your pasta, make sure they're al dente, and we're gonna throw in our cashews and water, some nutritional yeast, about 2 tablespoons to 3 depending on how cheesy you want it, about half a teaspoon of miso paste, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and some pepper. As you can see, I added about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and some parsley, and that's basically everything you're going to need. I mean, look at this texture. After you blend it well, you can add some water if you want it to be a bit more liquid. And as for the bacon part, like the bacon bits that you usually have in carbonara sauce, we're going to use some smoked tofu. This one I think is from DM in Germany. It's perfect texture, and we're gonna mix it with some cooked onions. Then we add our noodles and the sauce on top. I added a tiny bit of water afterward, and you can see like it's amazingly creamy. When Mark and I tried it, it literally reminded us of our childhood when my parents used to make carbonara pasta. Except here, no animal had to die for us to enjoy this meal, and that's the best part. I just topped everything up with some fresh arugula and some chopped walnuts for lovely amount of minerals and omega-3s, and here is the result. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed this recipe. As you can see, it's super easy. Make it tasteful and beautiful looking, and enjoy the rainbow. See you in the next one. So you'll need to okay, let's start over.